How can I use concrete examples to solidify my learning? Imagine trying to learn a new idea but feeling like it's just a bunch of words that don't stick. That's where concrete examples come in. They turn abstract ideas into real, understandable stories. When you connect a concept to something you see, hear, or do in real life, it becomes easier to remember and understand. This is part of a study method called elaboration, where you add details and explanations to what you're learning. Start by picking clear examples from everyday life. For example, if you're studying how the water cycle works, think about a rainstorm. Picture a water droplet evaporating from a lake, forming clouds, then falling as rain. When you visualize this story, it's much easier to grasp how evaporation, condensation, and precipitation happen. Next, actively work with these examples. Try explaining each step in your own words. For instance, say, the water from the lake heats up and turns into vapor, which rises into the air. The vapor cools and forms clouds, then falls as rain. Doing this helps your brain process the information more deeply. You can also role-play or act out parts of the example. Pretend you are a water droplet on its journey. This physical activity makes the concept more memorable. Drawing diagrams from memory based on your example is another great way. Sketch the water cycle, then check your drawing against a textbook or online image. This helps you see what you understand and what needs more work. Talking about your examples with classmates or friends is also helpful. Share your story of the water cycle and listen to theirs. Explaining ideas aloud reveals gaps in your understanding and makes the learning stick. Applying examples to solve problems is another effective step. For example, if you learn about weather patterns, try predicting the weather based on current conditions. Or build a small model, like a simple rain gauge, to see how rain is measured. These activities turn theory into practice and make learning more meaningful. Using concrete examples also encourages you to add details, compare different situations, and relate new ideas to what you already know. This process makes your understanding richer and your memory stronger. To make the most of this technique, pick vivid, relatable examples that clearly show the concept. Explain each example in your own words, using different formats like stories, drawings, or role plays. Connect your examples to real-life situations or problems to practice applying what you've learned. And always reflect it on your understanding, refining your examples as you go. By doing all this, you turn complex or vague ideas into clear, memorable stories. This makes studying more engaging and helps you remember what you learn much longer.